Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not responding on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of not responding on Gmail app, you click on settings. Then this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Gmail app and you can click here. Here you can click on first step and you can click OK. After that you enter the window of storage. Here you can click your cache and you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.